Did you know that Visual Studio Code has a hidden gem called Zen Mode? If you're tired of distractions while coding, this feature will change the way you work. Let's explore it. Zen Mode is a simple yet powerful feature in VS Code that helps you focus by hiding all distractions like sidebars, toolbars, and tabs. In this video, I'll show you how to activate it, customize it, and boost your productivity. Activating Zen Mode is super simple. Just press Ctrl K followed by Z on Windows or Linux, and Cmd K followed by Z on Mac. Instantly, your screen transforms into a clean and minimal coding environment. To exit Zen Mode, just press Escape twice. It's as simple as that. Now let's take it one step further by customizing Zen Mode for your workflow. Go to File Preferences Settings or use Ctrl+, to open Settings. Search for Zen Mode. And here's what you can adjust. Here's a pro tip. While in Zen Mode, you can still use shortcuts like Ctrl+P to quickly open files or Ctrl+Shift+P to access the command palette. So, Zen Mode doesn't limit your power, it enhances your focus. Zen Mode is perfect for deep coding sessions. Try it today and see how it improves your focus. Did you know about Zen Mode before? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Visual Studio Code tips.